All right, good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas. We just want to take a quick look at the charts here this morning. So we are sitting around 97.5, give or take, this morning. But what I wanted to go over is we did play out a lot of measure moves. We did come out of a lot of trend lines, which I've turned dark red, and to focus more on what we're looking at here. So we did come up to the upside. Um, and we did get above this line, which I said we could follow through for a while, consolidating before continuing to the upside, for a possible run around Inauguration Day. All right, so let's break it down a little bit, see what happens. So this right here, if we zoom in, this was our miniature pattern that I called out the other day. All right, then we had our breakout. We did confirm that we were broken out of the trend, and then we went to the upside, really huge, a lot of that bullish momentum. We did have some inverted hammer candles here, so we did come back down, and we are seeing more inverted hammer candles. So of course we are getting that rejection from the 100,000 zone. um, Real quick, I'll go ahead and put a marker in there for the 100,000 zone. Turn off some indicators, leave the RSI on, to a horizontal line. Okay, this seems to be pretty heavy resistance. All right, and then I'm going to do a little TA here for you guys. So it doesn't look like much here, but if you zoom in on the 10-minute marker, we created an M pattern here. Okay, and we broke below this line, so we are doing our measure move here. And it looks like we're going to break down to the downside and retest some trend lines here. That's okay, that's fine. We've had a huge run. We need a little bit of a cool off. We need some retest. So down here, this is the RSI scale. This is resistance to movement, resistance to increase. So we have really been high here in the 70 range. Then we cooled down, and see, we come down into this low 30s range. That's when we can get these huge movements. So if you come out here, you can really see what I'm talking about. When we did that huge run, we were really cooled off, and then boom, real quick, we went to the upside. When we do these quick movements, it's much more efficient to make moves. So anyhow, so Bitcoin's doing some consolidation in this zone above our trend line here that we talked about. So we're going to hope that plays out. Other good news, okay? So what I'm doing here with this white line is I was trying to indicate that we are creating some new parabolic trend lines. Um, so we'll back out to the 30-minute, and I will show you what I'm talking about. What are parabolic trend lines? So right here, we did discuss this the other day. So this is the direction we were moving, okay, before we broke out of the box, okay. Then we created a higher low. So then you do a line from there to there, okay. We'll do another one so I don't have to keep moving that one. And then we are creating a higher low, so I'm going to say we're probably going to come in here somewhere, if I had to guess, because this is going to be a heavy support zone. So we'll just say right in this area, okay, because we have this run line right here that if we continue it down, trying to catch it right there, this is all support, okay, this is all support, 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 support. We are heavily supported right now in our zone where we're at. Now, of course, the devs could get their hands on this, and it could get bad real quick. But for the most part, we're at a Christmas rally. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you have a great day. But yeah, I'm looking for some consolidation. and then we're going to ride these trend lines, hopefully to a higher position above 100K at some point here. We could push through them and come out the other side. But yeah, that's my thoughts, my opinions. I think that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to get a little dip here, maybe a little buy zone if you really wanted to heavy in on a position. I wouldn't recommend it because we did come way back up on our levels. I would stick with your positions and just hold so you're at good profit and start taking that profit. Okay. If you spot $100 on something and you're now sitting at $120, take $5. Put that and save that for a rainy day. Put that and save that for something else you want to invest in, or a dip, or the big slide. Okay, buyback. But take a little profit. Treat yourself to your smart money move. All right. Anyhow, guys, this is it. That's it. I'm going to keep it nice and short today. Again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, have a great day.